Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for online road vehicle breakdown assistant Django Web Application project. So let's see how to start the project. First open the jam control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Let's go to the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Example like open any table. Here you can see the backend database. Next open the Visual Studio Code. First explore your project. Then you can see the SSC folder. It's your project folder. Here you can see the project coding. Let's go to the readme text file. Here you can see how to run the project in step-by-step procedure and login details. First open the new terminal. First set the correct path. Then you can see the two commands. First install the requirements. Copy the command and paste to the terminal. I already installed, so I go to the next step. Copy the command Python management Python run server. Paste to the web browser. Paste to the terminal. Now we can see the URL link. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. So this is the project homepage. Here you can see the project more details. Then click the get start. Here you can see the login and register page. This project have three roles: owner, user and admin. First let's start with the owner login. We have to sign up. First go to the register. Enter the username. Then give the first name and last name. And enter the email ID. Then give your password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter and special character, then length of 8 digits. Then give the confirmation password. Once you do that, click the submit button. Now register successfully. So this is the owner homepage. Here you can add your business and update. Then you can view the user request. First go to the create business. Here you will be create your business details. So fill the field names. Enter your business name. Then enter the mechanic name. Then give your service name. and enter the available timing. Then give your address and mobile number. Then enter your locality and city. After you finish the field names, click the submit button. It will be created. Next, go to the update business. Here you can see your uh, business details, and then you can see the latitude ID. If you want to update the map, go to the update map. It will be promoted to the web browser. Next, go to the update business. Here you can see your business details, and if you want to update your map, go to the update map. It will be promoted to the Google map. Here you can see the red bubble. Then drag and drop the red bubble. Select your location. Once you do that, click the submit button. Now map is updated. Here you can see the latitude ID, and then if you want to update or delete the business details, you can do it here. Next, go to the view feedback. Here you can see the your service feedbacks. Next, go to the view user request. Here you can see the user request, and if you want to free, update the status. Go to the update status. Select the status and click the submit button. Next, go to the show map. Here you can see user location. Then my profile is used to update your profile details. Next, we will move for the admin. Go to the admin login. Enter the admin username and password. Click the login. So this is the admin homepage. Admin will be authorized the all modules. So go to the business. Here you can see the all service business. Go to the business. First select the business name. Then you can see the all details, owner details. After you verified, give the approval and then click the save button. Next, go to the user login. We have to sign up. First go to the user register. Here you will be register your profile. Once you do that, go to the user login. Here you can log in your home page. Enter the username and password. Now user home login successfully. User can find the service and send the request. First go to the find on Android service. Here you can see the all service business owner details, and then you will search your locality wise. It will filter the data. Here you can see the all service details, available time and the mobile number. Then if you want to send request, go to this request. First enter your complaint, then update your location. Drag and drop to the red bubble. Once you do that, click the submit button. And then if you want to see more information, go to the more info. Here you can see the all owner details. Then you will go to the show map. You can see the location. Then go to the feedback. Here you will be share your feedbacks on this page. Give your name and enter the feedback. Then click the submit button. Then go to the my request. Here you can see your request details and that status. That status will be accepted. Then go to the my profile. Here you can see your profile details, and then you can change any password or profile. You can do it here. So this is the on-road vehicle Django project.
Code shopping.